Okay, what I'm doing today is instead of going to super sod and buying more sod, I'm using my good sod right here, and I'm making plugs, and I'm gonna move these guys right here over to that bare spot right there, because all of this is dead zenith zoysia, and it's got parental rye on top of it. But what I was hoping, and I'm still waiting for the heat to kick in, it might come back to life. I don't know, but I'm gonna start moving some plugs over into this area to get it to start taking. Okay, that's where I placed the plugs for today. Getting a little tired, been up since 1 this morning. Okay, let's look and see where we got the plugs from. Right here and right there. And down here, I have some compost topsoil mix that I'm gonna put in these holes and level that out. Okay, this is the stuff I bought from Walmart. It's like I think it's like $2.45 compost and manure mix. I don't want to do sand because I put so much sand on the front. I think my front's like freaking concrete right now until I can get those core aerators going. But that's what I did. Okay, the distressed sod that I laid down over there, I thought I was watering it, but it had a kink in the hose, so it wasn't getting any water. So I've been watering it for the last hour or so. Might throw a little bit more on there, and then it will continue to do watering every day, and hopefully it'll come back. I still see green in it, so it's not gone yet. The other stuff right there is starting to green up. I'm seeing, new growth in that. You just gotta keep on going with it. So we're gonna figure this out on a budget. Okay, all of this right here is plugs from last year that I moved from on that hill over there to right here. There's some Xeon right here, and the rest is Zenith. And so it looks like it's starting to spread. And if I just I'm gonna have to give it more water this year for it to stay alive.